I believe my legacy will be remembered for generations. I receive the resources, connections, and divine support to build my empire. I am walking the path the universe designed specifically for me. I feel aligned with my destiny, my purpose, and my higher self. I see my dreams materializing in divine timing. I hear confirmation from the universe in every synchronicity. I know I am exactly where I need to be. I believe everything is unfolding in my favor. I receive miracles, breakthroughs, and quantum leaps. I am a magnet for prosperity, opportunity, and divine abundance. Wealth is my natural state, and I embody it with ease. Every day, I expand into higher levels of success and limitless riches. I attract money, luxury, and high-level opportunities without chasing. I trust my power. I trust my path. I trust my destiny. I am disciplined, focused, and unstoppable in everything I do. I lead my life with clarity, strength, and elevated consciousness. I make decisions with confidence because my intuition is laser sharp. I am the master of my mind, my emotions, and my future.